Welcome back. So here we need to wait until this India is being displayed, right? After you give IND. So move your cursor on this. Basically this India is a link, anchor A, isn't it? So you can tell to your Selenium test that wait until this link text is displayed, because we clearly know that is the link text. So let's write an explicit wait, WebDriver wait. We have already handled this in our explicit wait demo lecture. You can actually see how we have done there. These should be caps. So you need to pass driver as an argument, and then let's put around 7 seconds. So move your cursor and import wait. So wait dot until expected conditions So now we have to wait until presence of that element located, but this time I would wait by dot link text. Okay, 1 second. Yeah, by dot link text, and the country what we are searching is India. So basically this will wait until the element with link text India is present. Till then your test will not proceed. Okay, if you don't give this wait, when you enter, you see that it's still taking time to load in the initial time. So your test will wait 7 seconds, and meanwhile if it displayed, it will continue. Okay. Alright, so once it is displayed, then you can use find element by link text. So we are trying to cover all different type of locators here: link text, XPath, ID, CSS. Click. Alright, what next? Once you select this, now you need to give this checkbox, because without checkbox selection also it's happening. So this is how my developer works. So there is a bug. You need to select this checkbox and then only it should work, but that's fine. We are not really bothered about quality of this application. This is just a dummy page. Yeah, this looks little unique. Let me build XPath here. / div rate class equals to, just to click on that checkbox. You can actually extend automating this web page. Like now you need to click, and then if you want to know whether it is checked or not, you have a method called dot selected, which will tell you whether it is selected or not. Okay, so I'm not going in depth of all of these because we already discussed. So I'm just building end-to-end web page until you reach this confirmation page. You can extend this and make this entire test more robust. And then finally purchase. What do we have? Type submit. So I would write CSS for it. Tag name is always optional, so I'm skipping that. Type equals to submit. Right, the CSS is also correct. So find element with CSS to submit the button and click. Good. So now we selected this, and finally this text will be displayed here. So you need to grab this text, and that's it. We are done with end-to-end completion of this flow. You see that after learning everything about Selenium, how quick we have developed this flow. So we are in position now to automate any web page in Selenium. We know all different type of tricks to handle everything. Okay. Alert success. So let's take class name this time. You can put dot and that will turn out to CSS, right? Or you can simply use find element by dot class name. It's up to you. So let me put class name because I did not try that till now in this lecture. Dot text. We don't want to click on that. We need to grab that text. Firstly, let's print it in the output and see if we are getting actual message. Thereafter, in next lecture, let's put assertion, and also I will show how to take a screenshot if there is failure in test. Okay, so till now we will run this test and make sure everything is working as expected, because we did not run after second page. Alright, script is very fast. I am seeing some failure here. Let's fix that. Okay, I understood. This bracket is opened here and expected dot. There should be one more bracket. Yeah, so when you open this bracket, make sure that you also have another one here. So this belongs to this step, and under this you have one more bracket tuple here. Oops. So this is one part and this is another part, and finally the last one. So that's the reason I think it failed. So I have done so many projects, so by seeing this error I can quickly grasp why things are going wrong. So I think now it's working. It's waiting until the text is displayed. Perfect. It clicked on checkbox, purchase button, and you are seeing the actual message in your output as well. Success. Thank you. Your order will be delivered in next few weeks. Super. Now in the next lecture, let's understand assertion and screenshot if you want to take. Okay. Thank you.